Bro, it's like he copied, like you know how some people, like, yeah.
Hey, yo, this old, but shit.
Before the song start, then
I done this shit 2 years ago. But this your boy, Young Kid. Used to be Young Fiasco, though.
it was a prayer.
DMV, y'all niggas stand up. Let's go. Look. Ayo, kids to the city. Call me Mr. Mayor, man. I'm all about my 24 like a Laker fan. 24/7 every day. I'm about $1. It ain't my birthday, but it's cake. I got a lot of. You won't see me in that VIP popping bottles. Cause I'm always busy rolling trees with the models. Higher than a plane, full throttle. Whipping an Impala. In the back and getting brain like a Sleepy Hollow. Young Kid, and yes, I paint portraits. You lanes like Shaq from the line, you ain't scoring. But I'm scoring dough, so I rip it though. Put some auto-tune in the shit, cause I'ma mix it though. Kill it, then I chop a screw. Fuck around, you old news. Talk a lot of shit, and then they gonna make you new news. Better sit your ass down before we get the clapping. And if we get the bustin', your ass taking naps in.